3D printed electric car. Introducing the 3D printed electric car, a groundbreaking innovation in automotive technology that leverages additive manufacturing to create sustainable vehicles. The Straight Eye, the world's first 3D printed electric car, developed by Local Motors with Oak Ridge National Laboratory and Cincinnati Incorporated, stands out as a prime example. Printed in just 44 hours, the Straight Eye features a sleek two-seat design, offering a range of 100 to 120 miles and a top speed of 40 miles per hour. This cutting-edge manufacturing method not only reduces production time and costs but also allows for exceptional design flexibility and customization. The use of 3D printing in electric vehicles opens up new possibilities for more efficient, eco-friendly, and personalized transportation solutions. As we look to the future, the 3D printed electric car represents a major step forward in the quest for greener, more innovative automotive technology. Hankook Tire has created several captivating 3D animations that showcase their cutting-edge tire technology and innovative mobility concepts. One notable animation is the Hankook Design Innovation 2016_3D animation, which highlights the winners of the 2016 Hankook Design Innovation Awards and offers a glimpse into the future of connected mobility. This animation demonstrates how Hankook's advanced tire technology is poised to revolutionize the way we travel, making our journey smarter and more efficient. Another fascinating animation features the Wheelbot, a futuristic sphere that can move in all directions, illustrating how this breakthrough in mobility could transform our urban landscapes. By exploring these animations, viewers can gain a deeper understanding of Hankook's commitment to driving innovation in the tire industry and envision the exciting possibilities that lie ahead for sustainable and intelligent transportation solutions. The Quintessenza Concept is an innovative project by Italdesign. It's a unique blend of a GT, Grand Touring, car and a pickup truck, designed to embody the connection between humans and nature. Here are some key highlights. Dual nature, the Quintessenza combines the dynamic performance of a GT with the versatility of a pickup truck. Human-centric design, the design prioritizes human experience, customization, and seamless integration with nature. Seating and experience, it features sporty seats for 4 passengers, with the rear row capable of rotating 180 degrees for a panoramic, stargazing experience. Innovative features, the vehicle includes an electric tailgate, illuminated logos, and a smartphone-based interface for controlling driving modes and settings. Nature-inspired, the concept draws on elements of nature, water, earth, fire, and air to create a holistic user experience. The Toyota FV2 is not just a concept car, it's a bold step into the future of personalized mobility. This single-seat vehicle is designed to transform the driving experience into an intuitive and interactive journey, relying on body movements to steer, accelerate, and brake. By leaning in various directions, the driver commands the FV2 with a seamless connection between human intention and machine response. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, the FV2 analyzes the driver's facial expressions, voice, and past driving data to adapt its suggestions and mood lighting, creating a truly personalized and emotionally connected experience. Its innovative augmented reality windshield enhances safety and navigation by displaying real-time data without distracting the driver. Additionally, the FV2 communicates with nearby vehicles and infrastructure, aiming to reduce traffic accidents and improve urban mobility. With its futuristic design and emphasis on creating a bond between car and driver, the Toyota FV2 redefines what it means to drive, making the journey as thrilling as the destination. The Kingsong F22 Pro takes electric unicycles to a new level with its powerful 5000 W motor, allowing it to reach exhilarating speeds of up to 130 km per hour, 80 miles per hour. This high-performance unicycle offers a remarkable range of up to 160 kilometers, 99 miles, on a single charge, making it perfect for extended commutes and adventures. It features a 90mm suspension system, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrains. Additionally, the F22 Pro is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 stereo speakers, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while on the move. Its lightweight and durable design, combined with customizable options, makes it an excellent choice for thrill seekers and urban commuters who want to push the boundaries of personal mobility. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road paths, the Kingsong F22 Pro promises an unmatched riding experience with its blend of speed, range, and comfort. The KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard represents a futuristic leap in mobility, blending the excitement of hoverboards with the sophistication of robotics. Developed by Korea's Atomic Energy Research Institute, this hoverboard uses advanced artificial intelligence and precision sensors to ensure seamless balance and control, even in challenging environments. Its unique design allows it to adapt dynamically to different terrains, making it not only a fun personal transporter but also a potential tool for professional and industrial use. What truly distinguishes this hoverboard is its versatility. It is equipped with capabilities that extend far beyond personal transportation. From autonomous navigation in crowded spaces to carrying loads and logistics or aiding in emergency scenarios, the KAERI Robot Labs hoverboard redefines what a hoverboard can achieve. By merging cutting-edge robotics with intuitive mobility, it showcases the limitless possibilities for innovation in both everyday life and specialized applications. The Segway Mini Pro. A sleek and innovative self-balancing electric scooter that redefines indoor and outdoor travel. With its 10.5-inch pneumatic air-filled tires and durable aircraft-grade magnesium alloy frame, the Mini Pro ensures a smooth and robust ride, perfect for city commuting or leisurely rides. Reaching a top speed of 10 miles per hour and offering a range of up to 14 miles, it combines speed and endurance to meet your daily travel needs. The Segway Mini Pro features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to control it via a mobile app, customize LED lights, and set an anti-theft alarm for added security. Its intuitive knee control bar provides precise handling, making it accessible even for beginners. Whether you're navigating busy streets or exploring your neighborhood, the Segway Mini Pro offers a fun, efficient, and futuristic way to get around. Dive into the incredible features and benefits of the Segway Mini Pro and discover how this revolutionary electric scooter can transform your daily travels, bringing a new level of excitement and convenience to your journey. Kiwano K01. Introducing the Kiwano K01, a revolutionary one-wheel self-balancing electric scooter that combines the thrill of riding with practical commuting. This cutting-edge scooter boasts a sleek carbon fiber frame and a powerful 1000-watt motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and cover a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. The Kiwano K01's unique self-balancing technology ensures a smooth and stable ride, making it easy to master even for beginners. With adjustable handlebars to accommodate riders of all heights and a shock suspension system capable of handling inclines up to 30 degrees, the Kiwano K01 is built for both comfort and performance. Additionally, motor braking enhances safety, providing peace of mind on every journey. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or exploring new paths, the Kiwano K01 offers an exciting, efficient, and futuristic way to travel. The ILY-A is a futuristic personal mobility solution that blends compact design with innovative functionality, redefining the way we move through urban spaces. This lightweight and eco-friendly device is built to provide seamless short-distance travel, perfect for navigating crowded city streets, airports, or shopping centers. With a standing scooter-like structure, the ILY-A is equipped with intuitive controls that make it accessible for users of all ages. Its electric motor delivers a smooth and quiet ride, while its foldable design ensures convenience for storage and portability. The device is not only practical but also stylish, with a modern aesthetic that fits into any urban environment. Whether you're looking to reduce your commuting time or add a touch of fun to your day, the ILY-A offers a glimpse into the future of mobility by combining efficiency, sustainability, and user-friendly design. Xpeng Aero HT eVTOL Flying Car. A groundbreaking innovation in urban air mobility from Xpeng Motors' Aero HT subdivision. This futuristic vehicle combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology, offering seamless transitions between road and air travel. With electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) capabilities and 2 lift rotors, the Aero HT promises efficient and versatile transportation. Its hybrid electric power ensures powerful performance, while the carbon fiber composite construction keeps it lightweight yet strong. Advanced safety systems, including autopilot, parachute, and redundant power systems, guarantee a secure flying experience. Set to enter mass production in 2025, the Xpeng Aero HT is poised to revolutionize personal transportation and bring the dream of flying cars to life. Walkcar is a portable, personal mobility device developed by Coco Motors, a Japanese company. It's often compared to a laptop-sized electric skateboard due to its compact design. The Walkcar is lightweight and small enough to fit into a backpack, making it ideal for short commutes or navigating urban environments. Key features: compact and portable, similar in size to a laptop. It weighs around 2.9 to 3.5 kilograms, 6.4 to 7.7 pounds, depending on the model. Electric powered, uses a rechargeable battery, offering speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour, about 10 miles per hour, and a range of approximately 5 to 7 kilometers, 3 to 4 miles, on a single charge. Simple controls: the user controls movement by shifting their weight, similar to hoverboards or segways. Durable design, made with aluminum to balance weight and durability. Convenience, designed for quick transportation in crowded cities, eliminating the need for traditional vehicles in short-distance travel. The Blizwheel E-Scooter redefines urban mobility with its ultra-portable design and impressive functionality. Weighing less than 10 pounds and folding into a compact size that fits into a backpack, this innovative scooter is perfect for on-the-go professionals, students, or anyone navigating crowded cityscapes. Despite its small stature, the Blizwheel E-Scooter packs a punch with a top speed of up to 15 miles per hour and a range of 15 miles on a single charge, offering a reliable solution for short commutes or errands. Its intuitive controls make it user-friendly for riders of all levels, while the durable build ensures safety and stability on various terrains. Equipped with an efficient electric motor, the scooter operates quietly, aligning with the growing demand for eco-friendly transportation. The Blizwheel E-Scooter is more than a gadget, it's a game-changer in personal mobility, proving that convenience, style, and sustainability can coexist seamlessly. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just having fun, this e-scooter is your compact companion for a smarter ride. The Efoldi Exporer is a game-changing electric scooter designed for people with limited mobility, offering the perfect combination of portability, performance, and comfort. Weighing only 27 kilograms, 59 pounds, this lightweight scooter can easily be folded down for convenient storage, whether in a car trunk or on public transportation. Despite its compact size, the Efoldi Exporer doesn't compromise on power. It can reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, 12.8 kilometers per hour, and travel up to 20 miles, 32 kilometers, on a single charge, making it ideal for both short trips and longer excursions. Its durable wheels and smooth suspension system allow users to navigate various terrains, from city streets to more uneven paths, all while ensuring a stable and comfortable ride. The scooter's simple controls make it user-friendly for everyone, whether you're a senior or a frequent traveler. The Efoldi Exporer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable mobility solution that doesn't sacrifice style or convenience, giving you the freedom to move with ease wherever you go. The Inmotion E20 is a compact yet powerful electric scooter designed to elevate your urban commuting experience. Lightweight and foldable, the E20 is perfect for city dwellers who need a portable and efficient mode of transportation. It boasts a robust motor capable of reaching speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour and offers a range of approximately 12 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short commutes or quick errands. The scooter features a sleek, minimalist design with an emphasis on durability and comfort. Its solid rubber tires ensure a smooth ride over various terrains, while the integrated suspension system absorbs shocks for added stability. Equipped with intuitive controls, a bright LED display, and front and rear lights, the Inmotion E20 prioritizes safety and ease of use. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or exploring your neighborhood, the Inmotion E20 combines portability, performance, and style for a seamless ride. SeaBubbles is an innovative startup founded by Alan Thibault and Anders Springdal in 2016. They design and manufacture electric boats called hydrofoils, which are designed to operate with zero emissions, zero noise, and zero waves. Here are some key features. Zero emission, SeaBubbles boats are powered by electric propulsion, making them environmentally friendly. Hydrofoil technology, these boats rise above the water on hydrofoils, reducing drag and allowing for smooth, fast travel. Versatility, the SeaBubbles fleet includes models like the Bubble, designed for urban mobility and leisure, and the Smart Bubble, ideal for water taxi services and urban travel. Speed and efficiency, the Bubble can reach speeds of up to 12 knots, 22 km per hour, while the Smart Bubble can accommodate 6 to 10 passengers and offers enhanced performance. Sustainability, the boats are equipped with solar panels and turbines to recharge batteries, further reducing their environmental impact.